You fixing to cook Gigi some potatoes? Huh? Where you going with them taters? In that pot, huh? Where you going? What? Where you going with them taters in that pot? Huh? What you fixing to do? You cooking? Is it? There you go. Go ahead and get what you gonna cook some potatoes? Huh? Where you going? Jesse, where are you going with them potatoes? Uh-oh. There you go. There you go. You gonna cook them? Ain't you gonna cook them in the pot? Come on. There you go. We'll cook some potatoes for Gigi, okay? Huh? You gonna cook them for Mama? You cutie. What about him? Huh? Who is that? Kitty, kitty? You gonna cook the kitty cat some potatoes? Who you calling? You calling somebody with the pot? We having poo-poo? Get your potatoes and come on. Jesse, get the, don't hit the, be careful. Be careful, be careful. No, let's don't do that. Jesse, look, get your potatoes. Here, you want me, here, look. Oh, that's some heavy potatoes. Look what I got. I got my potatoes. I got Jesse's taters. Don't you mess with Jesse's taters now. Don't mess with Jesse's taters. No. Don't nobody better mess with his potatoes. What are you doing? Hold on. Don't nobody better mess with Jesse's potatoes.